Hello, I'm Rafongu Tusi if you're new here, and welcome to Nairobi Design Muzes, the place of good vibes, great music, and candid creative conversations, because that's how we do. Now, I'm here with part of the team of AB3D, so just a slight or a brief introduction to who you are and what you do.
Okay, I'm Nehemiah Mutia, a production engineer at AB3D. We make printers, that's 3D printers. We do services, we train. Yeah.
Nice. So, what are you hoping to show us tonight?
One of the things that I want AB3D to show us tonight is to take us through CAD, other design features, and print, go home with some of our products.
I'm now with the second member of the team of AB3D, so just basically a brief introduction to who you are and what you do as part of the team.
My name is Fridi Kokwemba. I'm currently the lead engineer in Afrikan-born 3D printing. Yes.
Nice. So how are you finding the event so far, and what do you aim to achieve tonight?
I find the event mostly interactive. I've met with new people. What I'm aiming to achieve tonight is just to create publicity about the 3D printing, because in Kenya it's mostly at its infancy, I might say. So I would like just to bring the publicity out there about 3D printing and about our company AB3D.